Start. Compatible, compatibility, incompatibility, pity, pitiable, pitiless, pitilessly, piteous, piteously, petrify, petrified, petrifaction, putrefy, putrefied, putrefaction, patron, patrons, patroness, patronage, passion, passionate, impassioned, patient, patience, patiently, impatience, impatient, impatiently, poor, poorness, poorer, poorest, pure, purer, purest, purity, purify, purification, impure, purpose, purposed, purposeful, purposes, purposing, perhaps, propose, proposed, proposition, proposal, proposer, prepare, prepared, preparation, preparatory, proper, properly, improper, improperly, property, propriety, impropriety, appropriate, appropriated, appropriation, appropriator, protect, protected, protection, protectionist, protector, protective, product, production, productive, productivity, compare, compared, comparison, comparative, comparatively, comparable, incomparable, operate, operated, operator, operation, operative, inoperative, porter, porterage, importer, exporter, importing, exporting, proffer, proffered, profferer, prefer, preferred, preference, preferential, preferable, provide, provided, providence, provider, improvidence, pervade, pervaded, pervasive, pervasion, persecute, persecuted, persecution, persecutor, prosecute, prosecuted, prosecution, prosecutor, person, personate, personated, personation, impersonation, impersonator, parson, parsonage, pursue, pursued, pursuer, pursuant, perish, perished, perishable, imperishable, prominent, prominence, prominently, permanent, permanence, permanently, preeminent, preeminence, preeminently, prince, princely, princess, princesses, beauty, beautiful, beautify, bribe, briber, bribery, birth, birthday, birthmark, birthright, bury, buried, burial, burying, abundant, abundance, abundantly, superabundance, abandon, abandoned, abandoner, abandonment, tuition, tutor, tutorial, tutelage, temporal, temporary, temporarily, temporize, temper, temperate, tempered, temperance, attend, attended, attendant, attentive, attentively, attention, continue, continued, continuant, continuation, continuance, continent, continental, travel, travelled, travelling, traveller, trivial, triviality, iterate, iteration, reiteration, reiterated, reiterating, debt, debtor, indebted, indebtedness, doubt, doubted, doubter, doubtful, doubtfulness, audit, auditor, audited, auditorium, edit, edited, editor, editorial, editorship, detriment, detrimental, determine, determined, determination, indeterminate, differ, differed, differential, differentiate, indifferent, differ, deferred, deferring, deference, deferential, adverse, adversity, adversely, diverse, diversity, diversify, diversification, disease, deceased, disease, diseased, dear, dearer, dearest, dearly, endured, endearment, agent, agency, act, actual, actually, active, actively, actuate, actor, cause, caused, causation, causality, access, accession, accessible, accessibility, inaccessible, excise, excised, excisable, exercise, exercised, exerciser, exercising, cultivate, cultivated, cultivation, cultivator, column, columnar, columnate, columnated, columnation, columni, columnate, columnation, columnator, create, created, creation, creator, creative, creature, carry, carried, carrying, carriage, credence, credential, credible, credibility, credulous, credulity, credit, credited, creditor, discredit, accord, accorded, accordance, accordingly, guide, guider, guidance, guiding, guided, good, goodness, goodly, guard, guarded, guarding, guardian, guardianship, grade, graded, grading, gradient, gradation, gradual, grant, granted, granting, grantee, guarantee, guaranteed, guarantor, factor, factory, favor, favored, favorite, favoritism, fall, falling, fallen, felon, felony, felonious, feloniously, fortune, fortunate, fortunately, unfortunately, misfortune, four, foursome, 14, 14th, fourth, far, farther, farthest, further, furthest, furthermore, fresh, fresher, freshest, refreshment, refreshed, refresher, form, formal, formed, former, formerly, farm, farmer, farmyard, farm, farmer, farmly, confirmation, evident, evidence, evidently, evidential, confide, confidence, confidential, confidentially, avoid, avoided, avoidable, avoidance, unavoidable, inevitable, value, valued, valuable, invaluable, valuer, avail, available, availing, unavailing, convulse, convulsed, convulsion, convulsing, convulsely, evolution, evolutionist, evolutionary, violent, violently, violence, converse, conversed, conversation, conversational, conversationalist, support, supported, supporting, supporter, supportable, insupportable, separate, separated, separation, separable, inseparable, situate, situated, situation, station, stationed, stationing, stationer, structure, structural, consider, considered, consideration, considerable, inconsiderable, considerate, inconsiderate, secret, secretly, secrecy, secretary, secretarial, secretaryship, secretariat, secret, secretion, secretive, sacred, sacredly, sacredness, consist, consistence, consistency, consistent, inconsistent, inconsistency, short, shorter, shortest, shorten, shorthand, shorthanded, emigrate, emigrated, emigration, emigrant, immigrate, immigration, immigrant, murder, murdered, murderer, murderous, murderess, define, definite, definitely, definition, definitive, definitively, indefinite, undefined, end, ending, endless, need, needed, needy, needless, needlessly, ingenious, ingeniously, ingenuity, ingenious, ingeniously, ingenuousness, labor, labored, laborer, laborious, laboriously, elaborate, elaborated, elaborately, elaboration, learn, learned, learning, learner, write, writing, written, unwritten, wrought, rotted, rottedness, rotting, rotten, regret, regretted, regrettable, regretful, regard, regarded, regarding, regardful, refer, referred, reference, referendum, rough, rougher, roughest, roughly, rever, revered, reverence, reverent, irreverence, human, humanity, humanly, inhuman, human, hurt, hearty, heartier, heartily, heartiest, hard, harder, hardest, hardy, hardiest, hero, heroic, heroically, heroine, assure, assured, assurance, assuredly, assurer, found, founded, founder, foundation, foundational, collect, collected, collector, collection, elect, elected, elector, election, electioneer, event, eventual, eventful, history, historical, historian, liberal, liberality, illiberal, patriot, patriotic, patriotically, patriotism, precise, precisely, precision, system, systematic, systematically, systematize, systematization, local, locality, localization, matter, material, materialist, materialistic, immaterial, skeptic, skeptical, skepticism, sincere, sincerity, sincerely, signature, signatory, certain, certainty, certainly, uncertainty, ascertain, ascertained, ascertainment, ascertainable, insist, insisted, insistence, insistently, exist, existed, existence, existent, non existent. Stop.